Hello everyone, warm regards of the day. My name is Ashish and I am at the studio of IIHM Delhi campus with my colleague Charu.
Greetings to all.
We are anchoring for the spectacular and thrilling International Hospitality Expo 2023 that is being held in the Indian Expo Center and Mart in Greater Noida.
International Hospitality Expo is the most well-curated B2B expo. From CEO to purchase heads and project management companies, all hospitality decision makers are at one platform.
It will showcase a wide range of products and services for hospitality industry including furniture, fixture, equipments, linen, uniform and food and beverage products.
Our colleagues are covering the expo and will be taking it for the interview of Chef Ashish Bhasin. So let's hand over to the ground team and take a look.
Good afternoon, I'm Ashish Bhasin from IIHM Delhi and here at the Indian Hospitality Expo 2023 with Chef Ashish Bhasin. Hello. Chef, how was your day at Hospitality Expo?
I came a little late. I came around 3ish, so it's going pretty great. Loving the competition, seeing what young kids have put there. Quite impressed.
And so, how would you give a view on budding chefs?
Their exposure is way better. They are doing better than what we were doing at their age. So overall, I think the world is moving faster. They are learning good. Kids are doing great stuff. Quality is improving, and hence I would say they have a bigger challenge on their plate. This competition is tough.
Thank you.
Thank you.
As we see the collaboration and communication continues in the world of hospitality, doesn't it?
Yes, it surely does.
Thank you for joining with us. We will be back soon to the IHM Delhi studio with further updates.
Stay tuned.